Why would I want to go Jamaica? Why would I want to go home? Look what I'm walking. Look at this. Why would I want to leave you? Jamaica, look. You might take 6 months out of my life because you look so good, Jamaica. Why would I leave you? What we got is just so beautiful. You compliment me, Jamaica. I can't leave you. I gotta figure out the rest of my life. I can't leave you, Jamaica.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelson. Kindly, if it is for your first time coming across my video, guys, feel free to share, comment, and also show me some love by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video that we're going to see why Jamaica is being loved, why many socialites nowadays are flocking and packing going to Jamaica. So guys, stay tuned, watch till the end. I'll be back with some few comments.
I've never loved, and I don't know how to explain it. I'm sorry, but I just don't know how to explain it. But there's just, you guys, like, I love Trinidad. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love St. Vincent. But Jamaica has a different kind of vibe. It's like you cannot be lonely in Jamaica. You cannot be sad. You cannot be, it's just different. It's just different, guys. And I know I see, and I'm sorry, I don't want nobody to say, Roy, you this to other country, and Roy, you this to other countries. I don't want nobody to say that, but I'm being real. I'm being real. It's just, when they say Jamaica, trust me, yeah. You guys don't even know what islands you have here. It's an amazing country, man.
Island Dave here, huh? Island Dave on an island. Hey, Lord the value, man. Lord the value, man. Why gone, girl? Why gone, pretty girl? Huh? Why you gone? Big up yourself, girl. Yes. Go get you some steamed fish and okra. Yes. Some steamed fish and okra, girl. Why gone, pretty girl? Huh?
Went to Jamaica.
How was that?
It was, guys, Jamaica is so beautiful. It was my first time there. And I was making more music. And then we were listening back to Jump. And I was like, hey, like these vibes. Like we need like a Jamaican vibe on this one. And we hit up Skilly Bang. Came back with something that I couldn't not add, you know.
So what is your favorite thing about Jamaica? And what's your favorite thing about being Jamaican?
My favorite thing about Jamaica is the culture, and my favorite thing about being Jamaican is the food.
You know, I've actually been to Jamaica before, and Jamaica's very beautiful, and I had a great experience there with my siblings.
What about the food?
Okay, you didn't let me finish. Just gotta say, the food is also fire. The food is fire over there.
Yeah, I know it. I know it. It was nice meeting you, Jazzy.
What was it like filming in Jamaica?
Glorious.
Wonderful.
Hot.
Hot.
Very, very hot.
Very hot.
Beautiful though. Jamaican crew.
Yeah.
Jamaican food that we didn't always eat because we were just
Jamaica
on.
Yeah, Jamaica was a
preps.
journey, and yeah, filming in Trenchtown I think was one of my favorite weeks.
Yeah.
Because the people came out and spent a bit of time there. Yeah, Jamaica was sick.
And just nice getting Jamaican energy in the film, like rightly so.
Yeah.
When I see Kai at Jamaica, I hope Kai I enjoy Jamaica. You see, you know what I should show you guys, because apparently me going to Jamaica from everything else and everywhere else and choosing to go back to Jamaica was dumb. But this should show you that Jamaica's culture is top tier. When you see how we're small, when you see how our country is small, our culture is top tier. And our culture is also envied because it is so unique. Like Jamaican culture, it's not a joke, and we play with ourselves. Remember, I tell you, we play with ourselves. See, when I enjoy Jamaica, that's our home. That's our home. And that's how we're born, and we need to appreciate our home more too, because we are that, our home.
Favorite place I've traveled? I love Jamaica. Oh my God, the food in Jamaica, I'm definitely gaining a couple of pounds, but I love to eat.
Yo, Kai, Cena. Yo, walk on you. What you dealing? Me I deal with nothing, you know. What you deal with that? You good? So out here. Bomba class, free world boss, you know. Free world boss. Real world boss. Where the cat to them? Where the cat to them? Be a girl over there. So let's go over there to my youth.
So hi guys, I hope that you have watched the full videos and you have seen that Jamaican is being loved globally, that many artists, many influencers around the globe are traveling and flocking to Jamaica. In those video guys, you have seen that these influencers like Tyler, Franklin Saint and other top artists are flocking and are traveling to Jamaica to see how Jamaican works and why is it that Jamaican is being among the top countries in the Caribbean. So guys, the thing that makes many people flock to Jamaican is their music. So many people in the globe knows Jamaican because of their good music, their reggae music, which started and originated in Jamaica. So guys, here where we live, many people know reggae music because of Bob Marley. Bob Marley is among the people who started the reggae music, and the reggae music is a good music because it encourages people and it has good words of encouragement. Many people nowadays, they are going to Jamaica to see the legendary musician like Vybz Kartel. Now that Vybz Kartel is out of prison and is doing some live performance, many fans who are living outside Jamaican are going to Jamaican at least to see their favorable musicians like Vybz Kartel. The other thing there is they are known for breaking records in track and field. In the track and field guys, Jamaican is being known for having many winning caps, from the legendary Usain Bolt, who has break many records and has made Jamaican very famous, and many people nowadays admires how Jamaican really works and how they do to perform well. So the other runners from other countries, they are traveling to see why that Jamaican is performing very well. It's their thing that Jamaican are using to win this race. So they are going there, they train and see they see like the legendary Usain Bolt, who has retired. They visit them, they have a couple of words, they exchange words, and they want to at least know why that Jamaican is being known for breaking record. Even though that Usain Bolt have retired, you can see that Jamaican is still on top. There are some people from Jamaica who are still bringing up Jamaican flag on top, like Jamica Jackson and other running mates. Like in the other video I've shown that in the under 18 and 19 Jamaican are putting out a good performance, are showing out that even though Usain Bolt have retired, Jamaican is still on top and their flag will always be on top. The other thing guys is the food. Many people know Jamaican because of their good food, and Jamaican is being known for having the best and delicious food in the world. So many people are traveling there. They are flocking there to Jamaica to see what Jamaican do to make their food very delicious, what Jamaican do to their food to make it trend all over the internet and want people to admire. So people go there, get to learn some ways of how these people cook. There is the thing that they use there. If they are using some masala or what, they are enjoying it. Even I've seen that there's some channels nowadays that showcase how Jamaican are doing, and we love it so much here. So guys, the other thing guys is the natural there, the nature there, like the beaches, the climate. They have a good climate and you can enjoy there, the beaches, the water, the mountain. If you have something, if you are being bored, you can go there and at least watch some things and relax, have some boat riding and enjoy it. So guys, if it's your first time coming across my video guys, feel free to share, comment. You can interact in my comment. One love.